All right. Hey, everybody. My name is Vic Strazius. Thank you for tuning in here today on this page. Listen, in celebration of the grand opening and the official launch of the 4% Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing, and due to popular high demanded requests for me to put this together, I will record this tutorial for you here where I want to show you how I raised myself from zero to making $11,506 per day on average in affiliate marketing, meaning I did not have to create a product, I did not have to customer service anybody, I did not have any big overhead, I did not have big offices, I did not have to, have this big operation or whatever. I was simply an affiliate selling somebody else's product and averaging out $11,000 per day in commissions as an affiliate. That comes down to over $340,000 per month. Can you imagine that? Over $340,000 per month. Really, really awesome, right? But hey, you could probably care less about that, but here's the coolest part. I'm going to show you how you can model this blueprint to start and grow your own highly successful affiliate marketing business step by step. So basically, I'm going to give you everything that you need to start and grow your own six-figure affiliate marketing business step by step. Listen to me, okay? Even if you have no product, even if you have zero experience and nobody knows you.